Okay, so for today, we will name the parts of the circle. Okay, so yeah, I have a circle and starting from naming. So, what is the name of the circle? So, it is based on the center point of the circle. So, this is circle A. So, I'll use this symbol. Yeah, it is in the center. So, this is circle A. Or to be safe, say for example you're answering, so you can write the word circle A. Okay, take note we use a capital letter. So this is the center point of the circle. Now what is the radius? So the radius connect from the center point of the circle going to the circle, or the other end point is on the circle, lie on the circle. So the example is point A going to J, so this is segment AJ, segment AE, so segment AK, so segment AJ, AE, and AK. So segment AJ, segment AE, and segment AK. Don't forget the symbol. Alright, next, the chord. So as you can see, we have a chord here. So this is from a C going to D. So we have this chord. The definition of the chord is a segment that connects both endpoint to the circle. So segment CD. So it can be interchanged. So segment CD. Okay, next we go with the second. So seconds intersect is a line that intersects the circle at exactly 2 points. And as you can see, we have 2 points here, a line, and also a line here, intersecting the circle at exactly 2 points. So we have line. I forgot the. So H must be here. H must be here. H. Okay. So I erase this one. So H must be placed here. So our second is line BH. I'm pertaining to this. Next, line FG. Line FG. Alright, so next we go with the tangent. Okay, so the tangent is a line that intersect the circle at exactly 1 point. So okay, so for a tangent, this is a line that intersect the circle at exactly 1 point. So I think, okay, the best example here is this. Okay, so I'll write J here. So the best example for tangent here is line J, line J. So that's the best example for tangent, because that is for point, and that this is point I. Alright, so that is per tangent. Then, okay, for the diameter, uh, we use three letters. We use three letters for us to determine, okay, the diameter. K, J, or JK. K, J, or JK. So this is segment. This is a segment that intersect or that passes through the center point of the circle. So this is K, J. Then we go with the minor arc. Minor arc is the degree measure is less than 180 degrees. So the best example here is arc AJ, AJ, FJ, ZJ, IJ, GJ. So those examples are those thing I mentioned are examples of minor arc. Also arc JC, JB, JH, JD. Those are examples of minor arc. So arc, EJ, arc JF, then many more like this. Arc JZ. So arc JZ. So as you can see, we use the symbol like this. Okay, so there's a lot of minor arc, so I just mentioned three. So again, we go with minor arc. The degree measure of minor arc is less than 180 degrees. Sir, what if the degree measure is 180 degrees? What do you call that arc? So that is a semicircle or the half of the circle. Then we go with the major arc. Major arc, the degree measure of this arc is above or more than 180 degrees. So 181 going above. So those are examples of, or this arc is an example of major arc. Okay, say for example, and remember guys that in minor arc we use two letters, while in major arc we use three letters also in semicircle. So major arc, so like JBI, JBI, or JCI, JDZ. So those are examples of major arc. So arc, J. Okay, so what happened? Arc J, H, I. Next arc B, H, F. Okay, F. So yeah, so arc BH going to F. So those are examples, and those are examples of major arc. So I didn't write all the present major arc, but you can easily identify the major arc because the degree measure of the major arc is more than 180 or greater than 180 degrees. So if it's less than 180 degrees, this is the arc or the minor arc. If it's exactly 180 degrees, this is semicircle. If it's more than 180 degrees, we call that as the major arc. So remember guys to use the symbol, okay, in specifying or locating, okay, or naming the parts of this circle. Alright, so my circle here is not perfect, but in making, say for example, your teacher urged you to make a circle, make it in a nice way or in a perfect way, so that we can display or portray a good example of circle discussion. So that's it. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you and God bless.